Hi, in this video I'm going to show you my little invention. It's a small monkey. It does interesting activity for kids. So you can see the monkey is attached to the room door and there is a string going up to the top of the door. And there is one small mechanism there. I'll tell you how it works. So it's like there is a branch at the top of the door and the monkey is hanging by a rope. I'm really excited to show you this. As you can see, there is a cute little monkey. You can see the monkey is smiling at the moment. That is because the door is closed. When I open the door, the monkey becomes sad instantly. So I'm closing the door again. The monkey becomes happy. I'm opening the door. Monkey becomes sad. You can check out the face expression of the monkey. So now I'm closing the door again. It will become happy. I'm opening the door. It becomes sad. It's really cool and working perfectly as expected. As you can see, there is one single string going all the way to the top of the door, and you can observe one small mechanism there, and that's where the magic happens. Let me open the door completely. This is how it looks like. I haven't used any screws to fix it. I just slide it on top of the door and use little bit of tape. And here is our cute little monkey, and it is sad at the moment. That is because the door is open. I think I need to close the door immediately. So I'll show you the back of the door, how it looks like. There is nothing in it, just a little bit of metal plate folded for the grip. I created this mechanism using a syringe, a soft drink can and a normal pen's spring. It took several weeks for me to design. That's because my goal was to make it with easily available items. I actually experimented a few designs and characters and they failed, and this is my final perfectly working design. I am super glad it turned out really well and my kids love it. The reason for making this is I work from this room most of the time, and whenever my kids walk into the room and walks out of the room, I just want them to keep the door closed. Obviously they are kids, it was not happening. So in this situation, if I want the door to be closed automatically, I need to buy an automatic door closer. I initially thought of buying that, but I found it boring and there is no fun in it. I thought of something making creative and entertaining at the same time for the kids. And then I got this idea to have kids close the door themselves by playing with their emotions. Every time they open the door, they are making sure to close it to keep the monkey happy. Finally, if you like this video, don't forget to click on a thumbs up button. It really helps me a lot. And that's how I'll come to know how many people like my video. And also it really motivates me. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I make unique creative videos. Next, I'm going to show you how I made this whole thing. I hope you will enjoy the video.